Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song Sales by Pat Barrett. As usual, right now I'll play through the song for you, and then afterwards I'll explain it to you and kind of break it down in more detail. So make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
Falling is easy, but staying in love is hard. Hard to be honest and keep our heart open to be who we truly are, without the excuses, without the facade. There's no pretending. Here in your love, oh Lord, send me free. Oh Lord, send me free. Finally seeing you were here all along. Your love wasn't absent. It doesn't come or go. The image I've had is starting to fade. You're patient with me. You're lifting the veil, oh Lord, send me free. Oh Lord, send me send me free. Oh Lord, send me let out the sails of my heart. Here I am, here you are. I let out the sails of my heart. Here I am, here you are. I let out the sails of my heart. Here I am, here you are. I let out the sails of my heart. Here I am, here you are.
Alright, so for this song we're going to be playing in the key of G, even though we're starting on an A minor 7 chord. All of the chords, if you look at all of the chords in the song, they all fit within the G chord family. So that's the key that we're going to be playing in. And we're going to be using 5 chords from the G chord family. And we're going to start with that A minor 7, which looks like this. This is a traditional way to play A minor 7, but I'm going to play it with my pinky down on the 3rd fret of the high E string, which seems more complicated right now, but when we go to transition from the A minor to the G, for instance, which we have to do for this song, this pinky is already down. So it gives me kind of like an anchor for my hand, so it's already in place. I don't have to try to find it with my pinky. So that's why I like to play the A minor with my pinky down in the G chord family. So from that A minor 7, we're going to play a D over F sharp like this. And then we're going to play a G chord, but we're going to play it a little bit differently. Usually we play a G chord like this, where we have our first finger down on the 2nd fret of the A string. But for this song, I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to let my 2nd finger mute the A string on purpose. So my 2nd finger is pressing down on the 3rd fret of the E string, creating that G note. But I also want it to purposefully touch the A string and mute it so that it doesn't play. So when I strum all 6 strings, I'm only hearing 5 strings because this one is muted. And from there, I'm going to go to a C chord that's very similar to that G. I'm just going to take that one finger, my 2nd finger, and drop it down 1 string, and that's it. And I'm going to do the same thing I did for my G. I'm going to let that 2nd finger mute the D string on purpose. I really want that C to ring out very clear. And then from here, I'm going to go to a C over B, sort of, where I'm just taking, I'm going to remove my 2nd finger and let my 1st finger come down on the 2nd fret of the A string, and that creates that B note. And what we're trying to do here is we're making that walk from C to B to A, okay? So we have the C, B, A. That's what we want to hear very clearly. And those are all the chords for the song, and for the verse and the chorus, it's that exact same progression right there. It's the same progression throughout the whole song until we get to the bridge. So for the bridge, we're going to start on the G chord. This is the first time for the whole song that we're actually going to start on the root chord. Okay, so we're going to start on that G chord, and then from there, I'm going to go to the A minor 7, okay? And then I'm going to walk up from there. Instead of walking down from C, B, A, I'm going to walk up from A, B, C. And then I'm going to go from that C to D over F sharp, and then repeat that whole thing again back with G. For strumming, we're going to be using the sway pattern, which is a nice, easy 3-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 3 down strums, and then we're going to add some up strums after beat 2 and 3, and then we're going to repeat. So again, we're going to have down, down, up, and that's the pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So let me just hold the G chord and play that strum pattern and count out the beats for you. 1, 2, and 3, and 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 1. So if you can tell, I'm actually putting emphasis on beat 1, which means I'm strumming harder on beat 1 and softer on everything else. And that helps to create that verbal pattern, right? We can hear there's a stronger emphasis on that first beat. Every time we get back to the first beat, we're strumming harder right there. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.